Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you have enough money to do whatever you want, whenever you want. Imagine being able to travel the world, buy your dream home, and provide for your family without having to worry about financial stress. Do you want to be rich? Of course you do. But what does it really mean to be rich? The truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of how to be rich. But there are some basic principles that you can follow to increase your chances of achieving financial success. In this video, we're going to talk about how to be rich. We'll discuss the importance of making money, improving your skills, and learning financial education. We'll also share some tips from successful people who have achieved financial freedom. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 4. The power of financial education. Financial education is the cornerstone of wealth creation. It's not just about knowing how to manage money, it's about understanding how money works and using it to your advantage. In the United States alone, studies have shown that people with a higher level of financial literacy have a median net worth nearly 400% greater than those with lower financial literacy. In 2023, you need to focus on improving your financial IQ. As Robert Kiyosaki said, financial literacy is not an end in itself, but a stepping stone to financial freedom. In a world where the financial landscape perpetually evolves, financial education emerges as your guiding star. It furnishes you with the instruments to voyage through the intricate world of investments, financial planning, and the alchemy of wealth creation. It transcends the mere art of money management. It's about orchestrating your money to labor for you. Whether you're a student on the cusp of your career, a seasoned professional, or anyone yearning for financial growth, the supremacy of financial education lies within your reach. This isn't just about making a living, it's about crafting a life where financial freedom reigns supreme. Embark on this thrilling odyssey with us and unlock the gates to your financial dreams. Number 3. Invest your money. Investing your money isn't just a chore, it's your golden ticket to making your money work for you, paving the path for exponential growth over time. The world of investments is vast and diverse, catering to your unique circumstances and risk appetite. Here's a sneak peek into the investment landscape. Stocks, where you become a part owner in companies. Bonds, the safer loan option with moderate returns. Mutual funds for diversification under expert guidance. And real estate, an asset offering potential but requiring patience. But before you dive in, remember to do your homework, understand the risks, and align your investments with a solid long-term financial plan. To navigate this exciting world successfully, here are some top tips. Start early to let time work its magic. Invest regularly regardless of the amount. Spread your investments for security. Choose options matching your risk comfort. Don't play the market timing game, and always remember that while investing can make your wealth soar, it's never risk-free. The key is wise investing and diversification to keep those risks at bay. Get ready to transform your financial future. Number 2. Start a side hustle. Unlock the gateway to extra cash, skill enhancement, and priceless experience through the world of side hustles. In 2023, these aren't just part-time gigs, they're stepping stones to realizing your full-time business dreams. With a myriad of side hustle opportunities tailored to your skills, interests, and schedule, your potential is limitless. Here's the secret recipe. Choose a side hustle that ignites your passion. Start with manageable steps, set realistic expectations, and summon unwavering patience. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful side hustle. Consider these side hustles for 2023. Freelance writing or editing for wordsmiths, social media management for digital dynamos, virtual assistant services for organizational whizzes, web design or development for tech enthusiasts, graphic design for creative minds, and photography or videography for visual storytellers. Starting a side hustle isn't just about earning extra cash, it's your express ticket to personal and professional growth. Who knows, it might just pave the way to your dream job. Number 1. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is your golden ticket to financial freedom. With every skill you master, each nugget of knowledge you acquire, and every ounce of experience you gather, you're crafting yourself into a financial powerhouse, attracting opportunities that swell your bank account. So, here's the game plan. Become your own superhero. Dive into classes, workshops, and training programs to acquire skills that are like superpowers in your arsenal. Whether it's a new language, coding classes, or industry certifications, each step propels you towards financial stardom. Rule with knowledge. Conquer the realms of business, finance, and personal development through books and articles, your treasure map to new strategies and money-making secrets. The more you read, the wealthier you become. Network with the giants. Imagine mingling with industry giants, sharing ideas, and discovering hidden job opportunities. Attend conferences and meetups, the arenas where you level up your game and collect priceless insights from peers. Health is wealth. Remember, your most valuable asset is your health. Nourish yourself with healthy foods, maintain a regular exercise routine, and prioritize rest. When you're at your best, your goals become reachable. Embrace these strategies and witness your financial future take flight. Achieving financial freedom is not easy, but it is possible. By following the tips in this video, you can start to build a brighter financial future for yourself. Remember, it all starts with investing in yourself and developing your skills. Once you have a solid foundation, you can start to make more money and invest it for the future. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom, I encourage you to start taking action today. Invest in yourself, develop your skills, and start making more money. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll reach your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and that was all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on finance. Stay tuned.